let's explore the G 5-finger scales. Here we are in right hand on the treble G. My left hand moves over to the middle G. See where middle C is? That's where I'm going to be in left hand. Later, we're going to prepare to move our 5 down to the bass G. That's our new note. Once again, it's the last letter on the bass clef, the last line. So that's bass G over here. Now let's start playing a scale from the tonic up to the dominant, or the first to the 5th note. Let's go. Move down. And skipping up and down. Chords in G. Let's look at the last line. We're going to be playing similar to chords in C, but we start on G position and we're going to play G, skip, skip. Hold together. 5, 7.